barely tilted. If you get it flat, it'll tend to walk around a lot of times. So just barely cock it up just to keep the back surface off.
So we were trying to see if this door was gonna fit, and we decided it's not. It's a little too short, and the window's too low, so the driver won't be able to see out the window to make any turns. So we're gonna have to get a custom door made. We're not gonna use this one. I think I'll put this door in my bus. Yeah, sure.
Hey, I'm Kevin Ives, and I'm back in the Dark Wolf Artisan shop doing woodwork. And right now I'm working on Chris's bus, building a cabinet for extra clothes storage above his bed. So I'm glad to be back.
Cut a little notch out of that. This is gonna be the top bar for the door frame. That'll go in. There'll be another one that goes up this way. We'll put the door frame in and then weld it into place. Go ahead and just clamp this in place and hold it still, because I only have 2 hands. So I measured this, put this bar up here. I'm gonna go ahead and tack it in place and then put the frame in and make sure it lines up nice and good before I weld it in completely. Perfect enough. You'll put your ground on, then you'll have access to that. That's something Wes taught me. Test fit it again.
Just tag it flush, and we'll let the sheet metal finalize. We don't want to tweak this in either way. Never. So you just want this to go. What we'll have to do is tack it up there, tack it up here, and then, you know, there is a thing where it could be like this, you know, tweaked. So tack it here, and then, of course, use the handy dandy eyeball and make sure this surface lays exactly flush with this surface looking from the front. So once you get these tacked, I'll help you to make sure it's all good.